Hi everybody, this is Seth K Bani here, and today I want to give you 25 free PSD mockup for you to use for your projects. And I use these mockups for my projects because of one reason. Many a times clients want to see the actual design before they want to see how it will look like when they print it, and so I make sure I put it in a mockup form, and I advise you do the same thing. If they don't see it live like this, it's possible they might end up pushing your work over and over and over. They'll keep on telling you, design this, I don't like it this way, I don't like it this way, I don't like it this way, and it might take you 2 days or 3 days for you to actually arrive on a particular design for the person, and the person might not even appreciate it, might even call you a bad graphic designer at the end. But once you design it and then you send it to the client with a mock-up, okay, if it is a banner, I make sure I get a banner mock-up and I put it on it and I send it to the person. Once the person sees it and knows how it looks like in real life, they kind of appreciate it. And so these are some of the mock-ups that I have. I have a lot of resources sitting on my machine and I just want to release them to you with time. But as long as this video hits 50 likes, I'm going to release another resource for you again. So kindly like this video and then comment as well so that more people will continue to watch this video. I wish you could do that for me. I really appreciate it. And so don't also jump into the description to get the mockups. It is password protected. I want you to watch this video to the end. Once you do that, YouTube is actually going to make more people see this, and that's why I want you to do that. Kindly do that for me. Let me show you some of the mockups that we have. Okay, so let's see. It's a lot, actually a lot. Let me double click on this and then let's go. And guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and for making me come this far. I really appreciate you. Without you guys, I would be actually, I'm not on YouTube, let me put it like that. I will not really be here. It's because of you guys I've come for, and I really appreciate it. I thank all of you. I salute each and every single one of you. I'm so grateful. And so there's it. Once you open the folder, now when you open it, it's going to look like this. So you're going to think there's nothing there. Okay, delete this file. You can delete it. Okay, and everything is going to be down here. You can see place artwork here, and it is a smart object. So once you double click it and then you put your artwork here and save it, it's going to reflect at the other side. Let me just create a dark over here. Control S to save it. You can see it's saving over here now. 100%. Now it's saved. Now I can close it and then it's going to reflect here as well. So that's where you're going to put your artwork. And interestingly, you can also change the background as well. You can click over here on BG, open it, and then you can see a background color here. Double click it and then pick any color of your choice. Let me see, which color should we pick? Let's go for this color. Okay, and then let's just pick somewhere like that. You can pick any color you want, guys. So pick the color to suit a color that complements the design that you have put on it. That's how I normally do it. I know complementary colors. If you don't know it, I think I have a video on color theory. You can watch that one, and then just pick a color that complements the color scheme you have on the artwork, and then it will look amazing for your client. Okay, so that's how I do it. Now there are many of them. I can't go through all of them. There are a lot. Okay, so there are about 25 or more, you know. So these are all of them. Let me even open this one as well. Open this one as well for you to see. Some of them are really my favorite because of the angle. It looks quite nice. So you can see this. Let's put this one out. Let's close this one. We can even delete this one if we want. Let's delete it. Okay, now you can see design replace here. So you can click here and then we can put our design in there because it's a smart object. Let's just pick any color. Now you are going to put your artwork over this too, and then when you are done, you click on Control S to save it. You will see how it's saving over here. Control S, so you can see it's saving here. Once it's done, guys, as usual, you just close it and then you see it reflected here nicely for you, your design nicely for you. Okay, so let's see which one is this. So you can see you can even replace the background. You can feel free and replace the background. Let me see what I can use white for the background. You can replace the background easily with any picture, with anything. Let's double click here and then let's just delete this. Now Control S to save it. Now we can close it, and you can see it's over here. The background is, I mean, you can do a lot of things with the background. Okay, so that is it for you guys, and let me close everything. Okay, so let's go back. So these are all of them, and I'm going to leave it in the description. You follow it into my blog and then you pick it up. So guys, thank you all for watching this particular video. Please hit the bell icon, subscribe as well, but most importantly, like and comment for me so that more people can see this video. See you soon.